Hey there guys, I'm just doing a little censoring test. And when I mean censoring test, I mean a sound because, you know, in my new Webtoon I Say Is Life, there's gonna be points of time when I'm not gonna be sure if you know, one of the cast members will say an obscure kind of language. So, and I'll be recording that, so I might censor it. Because I'll probably be at a time where I extremely do not want to, you know, edit it out, so yeah. I'm sorry if I hurt your ears, I probably should have put a warning.